This is the UPS Sizing Battery Interactive Calculator, which helps you determine battery requirements for uninterrupted power supply systems. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate battery capacity, calculate backup time, calculate maximum load power, calculate number of batteries required, calculate total system cost, or calculate expected battery life cycles. For this demo, I'm using calculate battery capacity. Next, choose your battery type, lead acid VRLA, lithium ion, or nickel cadmium. I've selected lead acid. Now enter your parameters: load power in watts, backup time in hours, system voltage in volts, inverter efficiency percentage, battery capacity in amp hours, depth of discharge percentage, aging factor percentage, single battery voltage in volts, cost per battery in dollars, installation cost in dollars, and typical cycle depth percentage. Using these test values, 3000 watt load, 2-hour backup, 48 volt system, 92% efficiency, 200 amp hour batteries, 80% depth of discharge, and 80% aging factor, the calculator shows we need 212.30 amp hours of required battery capacity. The DC current draw is 67.93 amps, total energy required is 6,000 watt-hours, and effective capacity after aging is 169.84 amp-hours. Find the link in the description below.